Sunday, November 24th, 2018. It's about 10:20 a.m. and we have packed up and going on to our next destination.
We are getting done. Bags packed to run the run today. We're really on our way, yeah. Feel like we'll soon explode. Got the good old party mode, okay?
I think we're on a buying band. Poor kids. A buying band. We really can't fit much else in here. And this isn't even everything. Tom's daughter is having to take one thing with her, and she'll just bring it back with her when she comes home for Christmas. So yeah, we can't even fit everything in the car, and we are not even leaving yet. We're just going to our new destination for one night. Yeah, it's gonna be a long ride home. Ooh, so exciting. We've never done this before. Wilderness Lodge to the right, Contemporary to the left, Polynesian and Grand Floridian to the left. Well, this is a first. We've never driven our car right here, like through the ticket, yeah, over the bridge to the Ticket and Transportation Center. Pulling in for the first time. Skyline just said, we're in Hawaii. So this is the closest you're getting to Hawaii anytime soon, kiddo. So some of us have totally dressed for the occasion, like Lakeland. Well, even though it's a Mushu shirt, not for the occasion, it's a Mushu shirt. It's Hawaiian style. I have on my Polynesian, and Tom has on a tiki room shirt, but it's a Hawaiian type shirt. Not Hawaiian, but it has the tropical feel. That's what I'm looking for. So we did club level instead of regular. That means basically we get food the whole time. You'll have, because we get in the club level lounge. So you'll have to wait and see what that means. You are looking quite festive there, boy.
That, most definitely, is the best smelling men's room I've ever been in.
So they've decided they're going to get some coffee, because here's the deal. Our room is not ready. Surprise, surprise. So, and the club level lounge does not open till noon. So we're going to hang around for another 45 minutes, go into the shops, and then go get some food up at the lounge. And then we're gonna go hang out by the pool. It is Stitch heaven in this gift shop. Ooh, some good seats were found, guys. I like this. Watch everybody coming and going. So this is what we're doing. I'm taking Instagram photos. By the way, do you follow us on Instagram? And he's got his coffee, and Skylin is braiding Caroline's hair. By the way, did y'all know that she taught herself to braid at the age of 4? I kid you not.
I'm proud of you.
What? What'd you say, Skylin? I'll know what you said when I edit.
Look forward to editing.
t-shirts. Let's look at the little girls.
Alright, keep that big smile. Say hi. Yeah.
Oh, he's gonna say hi.
Nice.
Okay, that was pretty cool. I've never seen Pluto lick us before, and not only that, but he had the licking sounds.
Let's go give him our stuff.
We got licked.
You got licked.
It's the first time that Pluto's ever not only licked us, but actually gave us the licking sounds.
So you visited with creepy Pluto today.
No, he's not creepy. We've just unloaded and our stuff is just sitting there unattended. It really kind of creeps me out. I don't like it at all. I'm giggling because I guess these people really came prepared down here. Huh? Yeah, I'm talking about the beer. This is where you get the original Dole Whip.
This is where Dole Whip originated.
The real Dole Whip. Oh, the coconut. What is that little cup?
Ah, this is the one that comes with the coconut rum.
Yes, and we can get it with that little cup, I hope.
I want a cup. Can I get one?
I want one of those cups. Cool. There's a little sign right here on the green that tells you what time the fireworks are and what time the water pageant is. So that's nice. Oh, we're going in there in a little while. Gonna go down the slide. Okay, so the club level is in Hawaii. Touch the magic band.
No, we can't do that yet. That's touch your, oh, I guess we can.
Oh my god. Yeah, she's touching the ceiling, but she had her hands around the... She's just stretching, that's all. Just stretching. He said we're 111?
He told us our room number.
He did?
The guy at the front desk.
No, he didn't.
No, he didn't.
No, he didn't.
He told us our room number.
No, he didn't. You're hearing things. We don't know our room number. You mean this guy or the one we just checked in?
No.
And we're going to enter the lounge for the first time and see what the offerings are. So that'll be nice. So let's...
I just heat the whole bowl of onions.
So, oh, they have the pog juice. And water and cokes. And coffee. Oh my goodness, Skyland's going to be on cloud 9.
Oh my gosh.
And I want to get Skyland's face when she finds this out. Oh, yes. Veggies. And nuts. Lettuce. Right? Just made an amazing lettuce wrap. I'm curious if their peanut sauce is going to be really good. Oh, looks like you made a good one too. We just got a room assignment, which is awesome. I'm glad we got it before we went down to the pool. All right, go ahead. This one? What's our view? Did we get a? We got the view. Oh.
Doesn't suck.
Be nice.
Nice view. We can see the fireworks from our room.
Oh wow.
The castle from our room.
Straight out.
Oh wow.
And the contemporary. Even better.
Okay. So room tour. So this actually sleeps 5. So we have our 2. And then this pulls out to sleep another person. It turns into a twin. What are you doing?
It's a balcony. We've got a whole half a foot
Why are
of
you
balcony.
Why are you trying to open that? It doesn't open.
It does. It's a door.
It's a sliding door. It locks and it unlocks and it doesn't open.
That's gonna be really disappointing.
Very large TV.
There's another one.
Oh. I don't understand why they have so many lights.
That is an awesome balcony.
Okay, let's go get our stuff so we can get socks.
So, lots of drawer space. Lots of outlets and USB drives. And this pulls out. Rolly table on wheels. That's nice. Could be a connecting room, but we don't need that. We'll get a closer look at the artwork in a minute.
Why do they have so many things?
2 rows. Ooh, and it's... Oh, and slippers. Nice.
Do we get to keep this stuff?
I don't think so.
I'm keeping these slippers.
And...
Probably not the robe.
Oops. Did you put your water in here, Skyland? Oh, thank goodness. No, Lakeland, don't. And lots of coffee and tea. And regular closet.
Oh, look how many
At least they give you lots of hangers. A lot of times they don't give you enough hangers. All right. So, just typical shower. Liking the wall art here. And lots of mirror space, lots of counter space. And let's see. There's a little bit of extra stuff. What is it? I can't read that. Hydrating treatment for hair? Oh, I hope so. I really need that.
No, for skin.
Darn it. What's that one?
Same thing.
Oh. No, you can do that. Go ahead and call. Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. Okay, let's see you put it back up so we know how it works. There we go. That's how it works.